My name is Lucas Pierce. I'm a junior at Pacific Ridge School, and I took the online filmmaking workshop at NYU Tisch. I wanted to sharpen my skills with filmmaking, and I also wanted to make connections with other people and try to. It's kind of hard for me. It's hard to collaborate with people because I don't really find a bunch of people that do filmmaking around me. So I just wanted to find a group of people to work with because usually when I'm making films, I'm just doing it by myself. I'm doing everything myself, and then I'm using my brothers as actors. So I was just trying to widen my scope and try to meet people with the same interest. It was really awesome that it was remote because you're able to get shots from all over around the United States and around the world actually. You're able to connect with people, see different spots of the world, and able to film with people that come from a different background as you. And it was just awesome to see a bunch of different climates and places and cultures, and it was really cool. If you have no experience filmmaking or if you have experience filmmaking, it's a really good program because there's the assignments are designed for people that if they don't have a lot of experience, they can still accomplish them and learn a lot. But also if you have a bunch of experience already, you could also learn a lot from just sharpening your skills and collaborating with people. So basically just anyone that wants to learn filmmaking or wants to learn more about filmmaking, it's a really good program for everyone.